guys, today we will again discuss all the shopping haul from DIY. So you can see this is a huge long bill from DIY. Okay guys, so these are all car and bike and cycle accessories from DIY. So now what is happening is that DIY are going to empty their show. They're just refilling their stuff again. So they are so already low prices. They are giving more discount on it. So guys, let's check all the DIY accessories for cars, bike and cycles. Okay guys, so I will just continue with one by one. So guys, first I will take out is the most important thing is that throttle body carburetor choke cleaner. Okay, so guys, this most of the car and bikers know this is a very important accessory, and this is, you get it very normally costly. So here the MRP is for the throttle body choke cleaner is around 150, but I got in discount, I got in the sale I got it more cheaper, that is 99 rupees only. Yeah, so this is my cat Sheru. Yeah, he is saying no, it's mine. Okay, Sheru, it's your, but let other people check. So hi guys, this all I have just instead of taking out it one by one, I have just took out it once. We will just start checking all the sale items. Okay guys, so as I said, this first we will complete with liquid. So this is throttle body choke cleaner. As I said, I got this one. Then most important is guys super oil treatment. So yeah, guys, normally this is a additive for your oil which makes your engine more smoother, last long, and all the good stuff. So this is 240 rupees. So guys, this is a very, as I said, it is a very important thing. And guys, guess how much this will may cost. Okay guys, this thing, so I got it too. So guys, this costed me only 71 rupees. If you don't believe this long bill, I will just show you. Super oil treatment, 71 rupees. Awesome deal guys, just awesome deal. So guys, whenever your tire gets punctured, it's an emergency repair system. Okay, so this makes sure and fills your tire for that moment, and you know this is very important thing. So guys, how much will this be? The MRP is 151, already cheaper in DIY. I guess online it will be costlier than all the MRPs which is discussed over here, but yeah. So after this also I got this one. Let's just check. Yep, here is the tire thing. It is 109 rupees. There 109 rupees, guys. And the above you can see is okay. The above you can see is the radiator coolant. Who will get coolant at 89 rupees, guys? So this is 109. Okay, guys. This use coolant thing is just for 89 rupees, guys. Coolant you can use it in bike, car, anything else. Yeah, this are multi-universe thing. You can use anywhere. It's nothing like only car for car, guys. So, and guys, in grease, which is the most important grease, it's white lithium, guys. Better than WD and all those things. Its MRP is 145. Just think what will be its sale MRP. This is air condition fresh, so air condition cleaning and all those stuff. This is 230 rupees, guys. So what do you think, guys? This too will cost. Okay, I will show you other things soon. So guys, this is only 71 rupees, guys. Lithium grease is 70, better than WD also. And this is air conditioner. This is a little costly, as I said, 230 rupees. So this I got for 119 rupees. Still, guys, good deal. Okay. So guys, next we will come to other things like so how much this baby in car should cost. Baby in car sticker, guys, this is only 23 rupees. Awesome deal. Even in anywhere, even a okay guys, this is tap racing. So this MRP is 59 rupees, but guys, I got this was a little bit costly. I guess this I got for 45 rupees or something, not more than 45 rupees. Okay, 40 something. So guys, then we will come to the baby in sticker car sticker. So this, how much this should cost, guys? This is normally costly already. Here MRP is given low, that's 45. Guys, I got this for 23 rupees only. This is a racing motor parts, good graphics. So this MRP is also 59 rupees. This was, I got this little bit cheap, little bit costly in a discount, I guess, because it costed me 40 to 35 rupees. So guys, this are cycle reflective rim stickers. Okay, so this should be pasted. So its MRP is 99. Got it, I guess, for 11 or 13 rupees, guys. So this is a seat car seat utility hangers. So this MRP is 89 rupees, guys. How much will it cost? It only costed 25 rupees, guys. So this is a double cup holder. So in my car, all the spots are already contained with different stuff like things. So guys, this is what you can keep in this holder. So this is called costed 150 rupees. No guys, I got it in a DIY sale for only 50 rupees guys, double drink holder. So guys, this is for my bike KTM. So this is good high quality cover from DIY, and I 100% believe in DIY. So its price is 250 guys. I got this for 150 below MRP. 150 guys, 150. Where do you get that? Not only also in the online sale. So guys, now this is basic repairing stuff. Oh, except the seat. Okay, so guys, seat. This is a wooden bamboo seat. I got this for how much? On the roadside also you don't get this much cheap. It is for 190 rupees guys. And I have also taken the same what is a seat, a back rest, same like this. Actually it had the iron shape like this for your back posture. I got it only for 250 rupees, and this is 190 rupees guys. So now few things are left. So now guys, so these are normally the repair thing for my car, bike, anything, cycle. Okay guys, so I will first tell you the cost of Mr. DIY wrench. Okay, 6-inch wrench. Its cost is, you can see, it's 240 rupees. Other guy, I didn't got any discount, more discount, but this costed me something 230 rupees. Okay, no more discount from 240, maybe because of the quality. But guys, this is a wrench which is cost 230 rupees, and this is the whole socket and screwdriver set. Unlimited socket, screws, hex, everything. This costed guys, this is a hex. This costed guys 180 rupees. Damn cheap. So this is the screwdriver, and you also have a screw keeping facility. This cap can be removed. As I said, good one. So guys, this is mini what do you say, mini 10-in-1 traveler's kit. Actually it's just important. So this cost is 190 rupees. I got for 105 rupees only guys. So this is thread locker. Many of the guys who perform repair their own stuff may know. Aerobic sealing all the screws tightly. Okay, this screw seals your screw permanently kind of. So you can pause and check the information. And finally comes for the bike safety guys. So this is a, as you can guess, this is a tire lock. Sturdy, heavy, damn heavy guys. Okay, so this is MRP is 170 rupees guys, but how much shall I get guys? Any idea? So guys, I got it for 105 rupees only. Okay, 105 rupees with how many keys? 2 keys, and you can see the quality of key. Those are thick keys, and as you know, it is costly. And just this is a lock for my, what we say, the gate, the bike and car parking gate. So this MRP is 260 rupees. I got it only for 75 rupees guys, only 75 rupees. I have also same, I have a big one. Actually this is smaller one, but big one is only for 100 rupees. That actually I will use in my gate of my car and bike. Okay guys, so this is a very cheap DIY haul. So guys, unbelievable price and what do you say, sale from DIY guys. This is a short review, and the one which you guys will enjoy very much. So guys, if you're luck, grab the sale from DIY guys. Thanks guys. Thanks.